Hello and welcome to SIMFT. I'm Michelle, Foreign Trade Department Manager. Today we are now in episode 23. In this episode, I will make a brief introduction about the particle counters. Particles circulating at high speed and pressure in the operating liquids of turbines, power plants, gearboxes, and offshore applications are capable of damaging mechanical parts of the system. Therefore, prevent condition monitoring includes regular control of the operating oil. Particle counters are used in hydraulic and lubrication oil systems to analyze oil contamination, ensuring ongoing system monitoring and prevent maintenance. Portable particle counters can perform batch and online sampling, adapting to different fluid viscosities through pressure adjustment. Customer can obtain a customized analysis system for their specific application. The principle of operation involves introducing the liquid sample into the instrument, where it flows through an optical detection area. Laser or light scattering technology measures the size and number of particles. Laser scattering or direction signals are captured by sensors and converted into particle data, providing real-time contamination information. RS-485 Modbus Protocol's RTU communication mode makes it easy to read data, with motor pump unit can be used to continuously and real-time detect oil conditions, even in the absence of oil pressure. SIMFT offers particle counters for various application profiles. We offer automatic particle counters for laboratory applications, devices for on-site measurements, and counters for long-term condition monitoring. Online instruments are used as fixed installation for online condition monitoring. It has advantages of small volume, lightweight, fast detection speed, high precision, and good repeatability. The device features built-in calibration functions that adhere to particle contamination standards, such as ISO 4406, NAS 1638, etc. It can be calibrated according to standards like GBT 21540, ISO 4402, etc. A single test can provide results for all built-in standards. Desktop particle counters usually refers to a portable or desktop instrument used to measure the number and size of particles in the air. This particle counter stands out with its versatile data output options, including a built-in printer, desktop printer support, and connected via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB. It covers a particle size range from 0.8 micron to 600 micron, calibrated to ACFTD standards or ISO MTD standards. The system supports unlimited user accounts and features customizable operator accounts passwords for enhanced security. Users can personalize the sample names and signatures, adding more flexibility and personalization to their operations. This compact unit is easy to handle for mobile and inline applications for systems. SIMFT's team can design completely automated monitoring solutions for the highest level of control to fit any budget or need. For more information, please visit SIMFT's official website. See you next time!